We have competed all around the world, to the four corners of the globe, in Africa, South America and even in Australia. But we have never hosted a World Championship in our own backyard. The Central European Rally 2023, the rally of 3 states, Germany, Austria and the Czech Republic, is a milestone in our history.
We don't really know what to expect from the event because it's completely new, and this time of the year as well, it will be most likely probably one of the most difficult tarmac events of the season.
The opening ceremony in the beautifully scenic city of Prague gave the rally a unique atmosphere, but it was just the beginning. It was immediately followed by 2 special stages which were held in the Czech Republic on Friday. And let me tell you, Andreas was right. It rained a lot in the first 2 days and the stages were extremely challenging for the crews. But Eric and Nicholas kept a great pace with those tricky conditions.
Definitely it was tough. The stages with all the muds after the WRC cars was not easy, and yeah, sometimes you have to be really patient to don't do any mistake. But it was incredible because there was a home crowd, and yeah, the spectators been absolutely fabulous.
It was not always very funny because you could crash almost at every corner, so it was very difficult, but we enjoyed most of the time anyway.
We have a lot of fans here, and we can show with our new Fabia Rally RS car the durability of this car and the reliability of this car. It's more or less the same what we can see in our serial RS cars as well.
On Saturday, the smoothest stages started to dry out and the French tarmac school came in. Eric and Nicholas swapped places after the lead driver withdrew, and on Sunday morning the young Frenchman in the Fabia RS Rally2 showed us just how much he could fly on the dry tarmac.
It's been a roller coaster of emotions, this rally, leading the rally until stage 4 where we crashed. And then we knew that the only thing we had to make sure is that we are there until the power stage, and we pushed to the very maximum on the last stage. I really had a perfect stage. Maybe 1 or 2 tenths here and there, but it's not every day you push so hard, so that was a great feeling to win the stage and become world champions. But the car was always very nice to drive in these conditions. Also, the rally being in Czech Republic, you know, the car is born and raised on these type of roads, so to be able to push on the power stage today with this car was really a nice feeling.
The result was one we never dreamed of achieving in our home rally. Andreas and Torstein became the WRC2 World Champions. Nicholas and Eric and Kajetan brought their Fabia RS Rally2 to the podium, and 14 of our cars ended up in the top 15.
It's super to see how our car is performing here at the rally. That motivates us in our development steps and in going ahead with the development of the existing car. And it also motivates us very much to go ahead with the motorsports.
To win at home, it's a special moment, and because the World Championship visited our country for the first time ever, I think it's one of our historical milestones in the long history of Škoda Motorsport.
Many thanks to everyone who participated in the Central European Rally, and a big thanks to all the fans who respected the safety rules. See you next year.
Škoda.